Hello, everybody. Welcome back to PolicyEggs.com. उम्मीद है आप सुरक्षित होंगे, वैक्सीनेटेड होंगे, मास्क इस्तेमाल कर रहे होंगे और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग जरूर फॉलो कर रहे होंगे. Well, today we're here to talk about Liberty Health Insurance. आइए इसके की फीचर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं. Number 1, Network Hospital. Liberty has a tie-up or agreement with more than 5,000 network hospitals for cashless facilities. Number 2, Claim Support Ratio. According to IRDAI, the claim support of Liberty Health Insurance is 97.84% at the moment. Number 3, Solvency Ratio. IRDAI के अकॉर्डिंग हर इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइडर का एक मैंडेटरी सॉल्वेंसी रेशियो सेट है जो है 1.5. At the moment, as per the latest report of IRDAI 2019 to 2020, Liberty has a solvency ratio of 2.21. आइए अब देखते हैं कि लिबर्टी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के क्या-क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. Number 1, inpatient hospitalization expenses. It pays for the medical expenses of the insured person against any disease or bodily injury during the policy tenure. Also, if the disease requires the advice of a qualified medical practitioner, the company pays for the room rent charges, nursing and boarding expenses, ICU, doctor's fee, OT charges, prescribed drugs and medicines. Number 3, it covers pre- and post-hospitalization expenses. Number 4, it also covers the daycare treatments which require less than 24 hours of hospitalization. अब समझते हैं कि लिबर्टी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस क्या-क्या कवर नहीं करता है. जितना जरूरी ये समझना है आपके प्लान में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होगा, उतना ही जरूरी ये भी समझना है कि आपके प्लान में क्या क्या कवर नहीं होगा, ताकि आप अपनी जरूरत के हिसाब से अपना प्लान सिलेक्ट कर पाएं. सेल्फ इन्फ्लिक्टेड इंजरी और अटेम्प्ट टू सुसाइड. Any condition caused by any sexually transmitted disease such as genital wart, gonorrhea, genital herpes. Any dental treatment or surgery, external congenital anomaly, treatment of mental disorder, psychiatric condition and stress, any surgery or treatment performed for gender change, circumcision, non-allopathic treatment except for Ayush cover, war, any act of war, nuclear attack, invasion, stem cell implantation, cosmetic, aesthetic or plastic surgery, any weight management procedures and treatment, any condition arising from pregnancy, miscarriage due to an accident, maternity and childbirth. अब बात करते हैं क्लेम प्रोसीजर के बारे में. आप इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं ताकि समय पर जब आपको और आपके परिवार वालों को जरूरत पड़े, आपका क्लेम टाइम पर सेटल हो जाए. Therefore, it is very important for each one of us to know about the claim process. Liberty is affiliated with more than 5,000 network hospitals to ensure a hassle-free cashless treatment in your vicinity. Well, post or mail a written letter of intimation to the Liberty Health portal within 48 hours of planned hospitalization, and in case it is unplanned, you are required to inform the insurer within 24 hours of hospitalization. क्लेम रजिस्टर करने के लिए आपको कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी. किस केस में, किस सिनेरियो में आपको किस डॉक्यूमेंट की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी, उसकी बात हम अब करेंगे. In case of inpatient hospitalization or any daycare procedure, you require filled and signed claim applicable form, iCard, original documents of discharge summary with consolidated hospital bill, medical physician certificate, all original bills and prescriptions, original invoices for implants, registration number of doctor and his or her qualification, registration number of hospital and PAN details. रोड ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट के केस में आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स की, कॉपी ऑफ FIR would be needed and copy of medico-legal certificate would be required. In the case of in-accidental death cases, you require copy of post-mortem report, death certificate. In death cases, you require all the original documents related to inpatient treatment, death certificate from the doctor. In the case of pre and post hospitalization, you require filled claim application form, original investigation and consultation bill, and original payment receipt with a medical prescription. To avail the ambulance benefit, you require filled claim application form, I-card, doctor's prescription, original medical bill with original payment receipt. Well, that was all about Liberty Health Insurance in brief. अगर आपका कोई सवाल है जरूर पूछिए, हम उसका जवाब जरूर देंगे. Thank you so much for staying tuned with PolicyX.com. हम हमेशा आपके साथ हैं. We are here to provide you with the best insurance service across India. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. And remember not to forget to secure your future.